It's simple to wire money from Schwab Bank to another financial institution, which this video will cover in just a few steps. You need a few details to make the wire transfer, including the routing number for the bank you're transferring to, the account number, and the recipient's name and address. To get started, log into schwab.com and select Transfer and Pay. Then click Wire Transfer. On the Wire Transfer page, select the option to send a wire. Select the Schwab Bank account to transfer funds from. Next, choose a recipient. You can send money to a new recipient or someone who's previously received a wire transfer. If it's someone who you've sent money previously, select Continue and pick from the list. For this example, we'll choose a new recipient. Select Continue, and then choose how many bank accounts appear on your instructions. After selecting the number of accounts, click Continue and read through the red flag and safety tip information. If you selected one account, enter the amount to be wired and date of the transfer. Enter the routing number for the bank receiving the wire, and then the recipient's account number, name, address, and country. You can also include instructions for the receiving bank if necessary. Double-check all your information. If it looks good, select Continue. If you are wiring to multiple bank accounts, include the amount and date of the wire and the intermediary bank routing information. You can click Add Intermediary Bank to add more. Next, include the beneficiary's banking and account information. Click Continue. Review your wire information. Scroll down, read the terms and conditions, and select I agree. Then select Submit. Read and review the pop-up, and then select Acknowledge and Submit. Visit schwab.com/howtocenter for more videos.